Experience Las Vegas like never before by feeling the pure power of a Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren, or Porsche at Vegas Luxury Rides. Unlike renting from our competitors, you won't be limited to driving a few laps around a racetrack or having to follow a lead car around town. When you rent from Vegas Luxury Rides, you truly get to experience the freedom. With any one of our rentals and the freedom to virtually go where you desire, you'll get to enjoy the many beautiful sights Nevada has to offer. Want to see the world-renowned Hoover Dam? Or why not cruise in a convertible with the top down to better enjoy nature's beauty in Red Rock Canyon, just minutes away from the Vegas Strip? Unlike competitors, we require no large deposits, and the price you see on our website is the final price you pay for your rental, period. So don't wait. Book your exotic or luxury vehicle today by taking a look at our live reservation system that lets you view when our cars are available in real time. Vegas Luxury Rides. Come experience freedom.